This is the unboxing of a dual dash cam that I got off Amazon. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in buying this product. This is gonna be just the unboxing video. I will do a follow-up video after I have it installed in my truck, showing you what the footage look like during the day, also at night time. This is what the main unit look like. I thought it would be bigger than this. That's good. I didn't want it to be too big because I want it to be out of my visual way, like not blocking the windshield. I will try to install it as high as possible so it's out of my way while I'm driving. Let's put that aside. This is go to your cigarette lighter port, and this is what connect to the main unit to give it power. And this look like a data cable, so if you want to transfer footage to your computer, but you can also, if you have a micro SD card slot, you can also take that out and connect it straight to your computer if you have that option in your computer. This is the micro SD card that I went with. It does come with an adapter, so this is what I'm gonna use to transfer data. I will take it straight out of the device and put it in this expansion and connect the SD card to my laptop. I will also leave a link in the description if you're interested in buying this micro SD card kit. This is the mount to put it in the windshield. It just go on top of there. You got two of them because you also, it's a dual dash camera. You also get the rear facing one. This is what the back one look like. And the cable, it does look kind of long. I believe this gives you the option, if you don't have a rear view camera, you can connect this to your tail light, and whenever you go in reverse, you can use the screen as the rear view camera. But my truck already have a rear view camera, so I don't have to use that option. And you get some double-sided tape and some screw if you wanna mount this one outside of the vehicle instead. That's all that's come in the box. Now let's take a look at the main unit. Let's see if we have any power in it. It looks like it doesn't have any power. I'm not sure if it's only using power when it's connecting, but this will be everything for now. I will do a follow-up video whenever I have this installed in my truck and show you what the daytime and nighttime video quality look like. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this item, I will leave a link in the description for both the dual dash camera and also the micro SD card kit. Besides that, let me know what you did not like about the video. Have a good one.